Converting a ratio to percent. How to convert ratio to percent? In converting ratio to percent, this is what we are going to do. First, we have to perform that one in example number 1. We have to copy first 3:4. Then write this one in fraction form, that is 3/4. And 3 divided by 4 using long method of division. So we have to divide now. 3 divided by 4 cannot be, then we have to add 0. 30 divided by 4, we have 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And 30 minus 28, we have 2. Add 0 again, bring down 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And 5 times 4 is 20. Then we have to subtract 20 minus 20 is 0. Now, the equivalent of 3/4 in decimal form is 0.75. This 0.75 will be multiplied by 100. In multiplying 0.75 by 100, we have to move the decimal point from the left side going to the right side. 2 places here. Then the answer now is a whole number. That is now 75, and annex the sign percent. So this is 75. Now let's proceed to example number 2. Convert 1:2 to percent. In converting 1:2 to percent, we have to follow the same in example number 1. Write 1:2 in fraction form, and we have to perform the long method of division. That is 1 divided by 2 cannot be. We have to add 0, and 10 divided by 2, we have 5, and 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. Now the equivalent of 1/2 in decimal form is 0.5. And this decimal number 0.5 will be multiplied by 100. And to multiply 0.5 by 100, we have to move the decimal point here going to the right side. I mean 2 places here. So this becomes now 50. That is now 50. And this 50, we have to annex the sign percent. This is now the equivalent of 1:2 into percent, that is 50%. Let's proceed now to example number 3. Example number 3 is 2:5. Write this 2:5 in fraction form, that is 2/5. Then 2/5, we have to divide that one using the long method of division. That is 2 divided by 5 cannot be. So this is 0. We have to add another 0. 20 divided by 5, we have 4. And 4 times 5 is 20. And we have to subtract 20 minus 20 is 0. So the equivalent of 2/5 in decimal form is 0.4. And we have to multiply this one by 100. Then we have it here. That is now 0.4. Change that one to percent. We have to change it first to whole number. That is now by moving the decimal point to the right side twice. Then add 0. So that is equal to 40. And annex the sign percent. Next, example number 4, we have 3 is to 5. Convert this one to percent. So 3 is to 5. We have to copy that one and write this one in fraction form. 3 over 5. And we have to divide 3 divided by 5 using the long method of division. 3 divided by 5 cannot be, that is 0. Add another 0 here. Then 30 divided by 5 is 6. And multiply 6 to 5, that is 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract 30 minus 30 is 0. So the equivalent of 3 over 5 in decimal form is 0.6. And we have to multiply this one by 100. Again, we have to do the same in our previous example. We have to move the decimal point here from the left side going to the right side. We have to add to 10 here, and then our answer now is 60, and annex the sign percent. This is now how to change ratio to percent.